Buddhist community, you have a Islamic community, you have Indian community. So it's a combination of that and going beyond man-made walls. And so if you watch that song, Zaria, I think, which is beautifully written by Prasan Joshi, it has that emotion, I feel. I think we've kind of captured that and transcending that little wall which we all have as human beings and going beyond that and defining and celebrating the defining role of a mother.
This song made me come back to AR studio again. So we got to work again, and I cherish every moment I spend in Panchitan. On the Coke studio, since I have been someone who's been associated and been nurturing the brand here in this country for a long time, I think this Coke studio is a great idea, especially in today's time, जहाँ पर शहरों का म्यूज़िक, गांव का म्यूज़िक, छोटे का म्यूज़िक, बड़े का म्यूज़िक, कुछ ऐसा होता जा रहा है कि शायद म्यूज़िक भी कमरों में, खानों में बंटता जा रहा है. कहीं ऐसा होता जा रहा है कि गरीब का म्यूज़िक और अमीर का म्यूज़िक भी अलग होता जा रहा है. तो एक ऐसी ज़रूरत सी है कहीं कि ये दीवारें गिरा के कम से कम म्यूज़िक तो साथ आ जाए. दुनिया तो साथ में आएगी, पहले म्यूज़िक साथ में आ जाए, कहीं म्यूज़िक भी अलग ना हो जाए लोगों का. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट आइडिया दैट सारी दीवारें हटा के what the brand is trying to do or what Coke Studio is trying to do is getting people together and at least वहाँ सरहदें नहीं है. वहाँ पे आपको नहीं लगता कि ये हिंदू था या मुसलमान था या शहर से था कि गांव से था. So that's what this studio, Coke Studio, is all about. And two songs which I have, which AR has wrote me in and I've written are both very, very privileged songs. So Zaria is basically, if you hear the lyrics, and we were working on it in the studio, and he instantly said that this is exactly what we should do, is basically we are just mediums. This song is saying, तू ज़रिया, मैं ज़रिया, और उसकी कृपा, दरिया दरिया. तू ज़रिया, मैं ज़रिया, और उसकी कृपा, दरिया दरिया. अखियाँ निर्मल, दुनिया निर्मल. If your eyes are clean, the world is beautiful. अखियाँ निर्मल, दुनिया निर्मल. छलका छलका, छल 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 छल. तू ज़रिया, मैं ज़रिया, और उसकी कृपा, दरिया दरिया.
We've all seen season 1 and 2. Very excited to see season 3. I think it gives us a chance to get access to our traditional musical heritage that India has. All thanks to all the talented people here on stage. So I think through Coke Studio, it gives us a great chance to enjoy music like this. And looking forward to season number 3. Thank you.
Congratulations, Coke Studio, MTV, and Coca-Cola for launching season 3. Like Siddhant said, we're really excited to see what season 3 is going to be all about. And right now when you were watching the videos, I just felt like I was like at a mini concert. Here's so many different artists getting to play, and we don't have to go and actually, we don't have the access to so many concerts, but here we can just watch it on TV. So, and that's really great. And the collaboration of the regional artists and the artists in the city and giving people a platform to sing and kind of show us their talent is really great. So I'm very excited for season 3. Congratulations.
हितेश जी ने कुछ कंपोजिशन जो बनाई हैं वो इतनी यूनिक हैं और बहुत ही इज़ अ वेरी हम्बल गाय, वेरी म्यूजिकल, वेरी नॉलेजेबल. और जिस तरह से हम लोगों ने रिकॉर्ड किया है वो अपने आप में एक एग्जाम्पल थी. इट वॉज अ ब्यूटिफुल एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई मस्ट से थैंक्स अगेन टू मिस्टर हितेश एंड लव टू ऑल लीजेंड्स. Thank you very much.
Seeing that happening. And what you see right now is the process of how it's done. And really the spontaneity of that. And what you experience with Coke Studio is the spontaneity and the way it's done. And so people can witness the live factor of it. And it's produced like with A-grade, team and amazing stuff. So I think there's both kind of music exists. One, even now, I think there's some evergreen songs coming from every composer. There's also stuff which is necessary for, commercial values. And so we can't pigeonhole like today nothing comes and those days things came. And people are working hard, passionately. And when I just it's such a great time to be in the industry because you see everything has come to age. People are knowledgeable now. They're knowing what they're doing, and not one time I felt like, oh, what is that? And everything seems to be so competent. Like it's up there, and each one of us can appreciate. It's like a garden. There's rose, there's jasmine, there's all kinds of stuff where you enjoy the whole garden, not just one among that. And that's a great thing I felt about this whole season. I think when I did the scratch, it took me like 3 hours to get every pronunciation right. But I wanted to try my best. And so it starts with Bengali, goes to Hindi, and then it goes to a mess.
मन में भय की बूंद भी ना हो, माथा ऊंचा लहराए, ज्ञान मुक्त आजाद ले सांसें, धरती बट ना पाए, सच की कोख से शब्द जन्म ले, कर्म की धारा कलकल, पौने रेगिस्तान चीर दे, नदी विचार की छलछल, प्रहार करो, फिर प्रहार करो, जगाओ मेरे देश को।
दिने दिने खुशियाँ পরিবে রঙ্গিলা ডালানের মাটি গোসাই যে কোন রঙে